How to find different people from different locations on Grindr app. In order to do that, first open your app and tap on your profile. From here at the very bottom, you can see the settings menu. Go to your settings, scroll a bit down, and under security and privacy, you can see this option that's show me. And from here, you want to turn off your show my distance option. So after you do this, you will be able to explore new places and find people there. So at the very top, you can see this explore option. And here you can see your drag map. It will take a while to load the map. So it's your Google Maps. And from here, you can search for any place. And once you find your place, you can just tap here and tap on explore here. People from that region will show up and you can explore more people here and make new connections. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.